They're going to have to set off soon. Oh, they're all going now.
Can you see all that? That's just whack.
Yeah.
Look at them set off now. Oh my
yeah.
god. I've just caught all that. Have you got that? Oh wow. Oh, my camera won't do it. You better share this.
Why won't your camera done it?
It's low battery's low, mine is as well. Wow. Tell the memory. That was great that you got them all setting off like that. I've seen this at Silver, my mum went to see it in Ericsson Road. It's all from the land again. Yeah, just took a photo when I tried it, and then I tried a video, but it won't do it. I have to tag Ian in for that, Ian Buxby and tag Ian. I'll just do a 2.5 minutes just to make sure my camera don't. I hope it's done it.